Hi folks, welcome back to Monday. One can take a look at the TV and see that it's approximately 7 o'clock, and I think I've been successful. I got the plumbing hooked up there. You can see it. Hang on a second, let me get a little more light for you. Get one of them flashlights. Actually, yeah, here we are. So there we are. You can see the plumbing is hooked up, and up over there. There you go. I used the metal shield so I didn't set the house ablaze, and you can see it goes across here and all the way over. And I don't know if you can see the hookups over here. Here, let's walk you over. And the hookup over here. A few tricks when I do plumbing. I like to put quarter turn valves in all over the place. If I solder in a quarter turn valve and I know there's water in the system, I'll use something like this. I'll jam a rag into the pipe to hold the water back. I mean, obviously you can't have water under pressure, but if you have a little trickle in there, like with heating systems, you can force this into the pipe, holds the water back. Then you could put solder, like I soldered on that. Let's try for more light. Where are we? I soldered on that that 3/4 sweat to 3/4 pipe fitting there by jamming that thing in there, that rag in there with the wire. Soldered that on, pulled the wire out. Didn't matter I had water in there anymore, because then I was able to thread that valve right onto it, and we were all good. I also do that if I use solder valves. And let me show you that over here. Excuse the horde. You guys are probably all getting nauseous from my bad camera action. Like one could see, that's soldered in valve. I had to go from 1 inch to 3/4. I sweat a valve in there. Then you could see I put a drain just in case, and it goes up and around. So anyway, I sweat it in. I sweat all those fittings. No leaks, thank God. Then I pressurized it. Once again, no leaks. Then I bled all the air out of it, which is kind of easy for me. I have all my zones. There are 3 zones, actually 4, but I'm only going to mean to use 3 of them. The 4th zone is for this heater right here. I have a wood stove down here, so whenever I'm down here and I want heat, I just use the wood stove. Anyway, so what I'm able to do with my quarter turn valves is completely isolate each zone. Then I just fill the zone that I want to get the air out of. So I turn the water on. The water goes into the hot water side of the zone, so to speak. Completely pressurizes the loop, goes through the pumps. I'm able to turn off the bottom of the furnace, and I have a bleeder just above the bottom of the furnace, so I'm actually able to force water completely around the loop, which forces the air out, which allows me to bleed fairly quickly. So anyway, I successfully bled the system. I'm officially a plumber today. Folks, actually I'm more of an Olympic climber, squeezing into all those interesting places. Just imagine what I had to do to squeeze up into that corner to do that pipe up there. Hey. So anyway, I'm successful. I'm done. There's heat upstairs, and all the functional zones, all the zones I want to work are now functioning. So there we are. Remember, guys, tires down, handlebars up, live, love, have a great time, and you know, Merry Christmas in just over a week.